Welcome to the age of thinking machines. We live in extraordinary times. The stuff of science fiction is becoming reality right before our eyes. Machines are learning to think. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's the truth. We call it machine learning, and it's changing everything. This isn't just about robots taking over the world. It's about machines that can analyze massive amounts of data and identify patterns we might miss. Machines that can predict the future, personalize our experiences, and even help us cure diseases. Imagine a world where computers could diagnose illnesses with greater accuracy than human doctors, or self-driving cars that navigate our streets, preventing accidents. This is the promise of machine learning, and it's closer than you think. It's time to take a peek behind the curtain and understand this revolutionary technology. Join me on this journey as we explore the fascinating world of machine learning and its impact on our lives. What if we could teach computers to learn just like we do? To learn from experience, identify patterns, and make predictions. That's the essence of machine learning. Instead of programming computers with explicit instructions for every task, we feed them massive amounts of data and let them learn on their own. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. We don't give them a step-by-step manual. They learn through trial and error, practice, and observation. That's precisely what we do with machines. We train them on vast data sets, allowing them to find hidden relationships, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. The more data they process, the smarter they become. This is the heart of machine learning, enabling computers to learn and adapt independently. Machine learning is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to fraud detection in financial transactions, machine learning is quietly working behind the scenes, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Machine learning is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It comes in different flavors, each suited for a specific type of problem. Let's break down the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher in a classroom. We give the machine labeled data, telling it the input and the desired output. Think of it as showing a child flashcards with pictures of animals and their names. The machine then learns to map the input to the correct output, eventually being able to identify new, unseen animals. Unsupervised learning is like letting the machine explore a playground on its own. We give it unlabeled data and let it discover hidden patterns and relationships. Imagine giving a child a box of Legos without instructions. They start experimenting, building structures, and discovering new ways to connect the pieces. Reinforcement learning is like training a pet with rewards and punishments. The machine interacts with an environment and learns by trial and error. If it performs well, it gets rewarded. If it makes a mistake, it gets penalized. Over time, it learns the optimal strategy to maximize rewards and minimize penalties. Each type of machine learning plays a crucial role in solving different kinds of problems, and together, they form the foundation of this transformative technology. Section 4, How Machines Learn, a behind-the-scenes look. We've talked about the different types of machine learning, but how do machines actually learn? It all boils down to data, models, and training processes. Data is the lifeblood of machine learning. It's the fuel that powers the learning process. Machines devour data, crunching through massive data sets to identify patterns and relationships. The quality and quantity of data directly impact the accuracy and performance of machine learning models. Models are the brains of the operation. They're mathematical representations of the relationships within the data. Think of them as the equations that govern the behavior of a system. Machine learning algorithms use data to build, refine, and optimize these models. Training is where the magic happens. This is the process of feeding data into the model and adjusting its parameters until it can make accurate predictions. It's like coaching an athlete, providing feedback and refining their technique until they achieve peak performance. The beauty of machine learning lies in its ability to automate this process, allowing machines to learn and improve without explicit human intervention. Section 5. Machine Learning in Action, Transforming Industries and Our Lives. Machine learning is not just a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It's already transforming industries and impacting our daily lives in countless ways. In healthcare, machine learning is being used to develop personalized treatments, diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, and even predict potential outbreaks. Imagine a future where algorithms can analyze medical images to detect cancer cells with greater precision than human radiologists. In finance, machine learning is powering fraud detection systems, automating trading strategies, and providing personalized financial advice. Algorithms can analyze market trends, assess risk, and make investment recommendations tailored to individual goals. In entertainment, machine learning is behind the scenes, personalizing our recommendations on streaming services, creating realistic special effects in movies, and even composing original music. The next blockbuster film you watch might just have a little bit of machine learning magic woven into its fabric. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is revolutionizing our world. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, machine learning is everywhere, quietly shaping our present and shaping our future.